Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I am your teacher Saima from APS GTR. Dear students, today we will be learning about the formation of universe and the formation of our planet Earth, how the universe began. The theories about the formation of universe are many more, but one of the famous theory about the formation of universe is the Big Bang theory, which says that the universe came into being from a single unimaginably hot and dense point more than 13 billion years ago. Most scientists or astronomers think that the universe was formed during an event called the Big Bang. It was a huge explosion which occurred between 10 and 20 billion years ago. During the Big Bang, all of the space, time, matter, energy, and galaxies in the universe were created. With the formation of galaxies, many more stars came into being. Actually, a galaxy is the community of stars. There are three types of galaxies according to their shapes. First one are spiral galaxies. You can see in the picture. They are flat, disc-like, and have bulges in their center. If we talk about elliptical galaxies, they are more rounded, often longer in one direction. And if we talk about irregular galaxies, they have no any specific shape. If we talk about the solar system consisted in our Milky Way galaxy. The solar system consists of Sun, the 8 planets, and other smaller bodies like asteroids, meteoroids, and comets. The Sun is the star lying in the center of the planet. A star is an extremely big ball of bright matter in the space. Means the Sun is head of the family of our solar system. If we talk about the planets, dear students, the further away a planet is from the Sun, the lower the average temperature. Like Neptune, which is furthest from the Sun, has temperature of minus 214 degrees Celsius temperature, which is too low. And the nearer planets have high temperatures like Mercury and Venus. Mercury has the temperature of 170 degrees Celsius and Venus has the temperature of 462 degrees Celsius, which is too high temperature. The Earth is third planet. If we talk about our planet Earth, the Earth is a unique planet and it is the third planet from the Sun and fifth largest planet in the solar system. Interestingly, the Earth is the only planet in the solar system suitable for living things. And the Earth is blessed to have air, temperature, oxygen, and an atmosphere which is helpful and suitable for living things. You may arise a question that how life is possible on Earth, how we are living on Earth despite other planets don't have any clue to support life. Actually, the survival of living thing depends on the presence of water, air, and the right temperature. The Earth gets right amount of sunlight from the Sun, and the Earth has an atmosphere to help absorb heat from the Sun, which makes Earth neither too hot nor too cold. And the Earth has supply of fresh water available for living things as well, which is necessary to live. If we talk about the Earth moves in two ways. The first one is rotation, which is movement around its own axis, and the revolution, which is moving around the Sun, in which the Earth moves around the Sun. The Earth has two types of motions, which leads to seasons and day-night patterns. The rotation of Earth leads to day-night patterns, and the revolution, moving around the Sun, creates seasons in the world. You can see the Earth is rotating on its own axis, and the revolution means the Earth is revolving around the Sun. It takes 365.25 days to complete a one revolve around the Sun. It creates seasons on the earth. Dear students, read the whole chapter from your book thoroughly to get more and more information about the formation of universe and the formation of our planet Earth. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.